Good afternoon, YouTube and TikTok. Yes, I'm gonna be over on TikTok. I'm gonna make this real quick. Shouldn't be but 3 or 4 minutes. And it's about replacing the brake pads, the rear brake pads on a 2019 Infiniti Q50. Okay, this car belongs to my son. He's home, so we're out here doing the brakes, and I discovered something that I didn't know, and a lot of people don't know, and I'll show you. This will be really quick, over in a few minutes, okay? Okay, this is the 2019 Infiniti Q50S turbocharged. And what we're doing, we're replacing the rear brake shoe pads. The funny thing about the pads are, you don't need tools. You really don't need tools to replace them. This is the rear, and let's see if I can get you a good picture. Here are the pads right here, underneath here. You don't have to take off any screws or anything, but if you notice, there are two pins. There's a pin here, and there's a pin here. It goes all the way through the pad. This one goes all the way through. What you have to do is come around here. Let's see if I can do it. These pins are held by cotter pins. You see the tip of this one here by my finger. You take a pair of needle nose or a small screwdriver, pry the pin out. Pry that pin out, the cotter pin. Push this pin all the way through. It releases the top pad. The bottom pin, the same thing, is right here. You pry it out with a screwdriver or a pair of needle nose. It's two pins, top and bottom. Once you pry them out and push these pins through, take this backing plate off, this aluminum plate right here off, out of the way, and you take the pads out of the slots. There's two pads in the slots. You pull the pads out of the slots, you slide the new pads in with the pad itself facing the inward from the back side, and then on the front side, the pad facing inward on the front side here. And that's pretty much all to it. But you don't need no tools or nothing. And like I said, these are the pins that hold your pads. They go straight through your pads, top and bottom. Pull the clips out, and knock the pin through. And that's all. That's pretty much all to it, okay? Don't forget your jack stand and your hydraulic jack. It's on a jack stand, but I raised it up with a hydraulic jack. Just two pins, 1, 2. Take the clips loose that holds the pins in, push these all the way back through, pull your pads out, put the new ones in, reinstall the pins. And other than that, that's about it. And that's pretty much it for replacing the rear brake pads. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you like it. Hit the down button if you don't like it. The down thumb. And give me some feedback and let me know what you think. Didn't have to turn no wrenches. As a matter of fact, you almost don't need no wrenches to redo the brakes on this particular vehicle here, okay? So hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you at the next one. I'm Clarence. Peace, and we'll talk to you the next time out.